Hello guys, in today's video we are going to see about conventional encryption principles. So what are these encryption principles is, these are the basic things that every algorithm requires. So without these things there is no use of algorithm, or there is no use, or we cannot transfer the information. Okay, so for every process we need plain text, we need encryption algorithm, secret key, cipher key, and then decryption algorithm, then we'll get again plain text. Okay, I'll tell you how this process goes. First let's see what are all these things. Okay, I have written the information, so make sure that you take a note of all these points, and then I'll explain you the complete how the process will be going on, and what is plain text, and what is encryption test, and what are all these secret keys and cipher keys. Okay, I'll tell you the process now. Hope just make sure you pause the video and make a note of all these points here. And now let's see. So what is plain text means, whatever text we are sending, whatever the message we want to send, that is called as plain text. Okay, next one is encryption algorithm. So what it will do is, it will convert the plain text into cipher text. Cipher text means which is a unreadable format, that means it is not human readable. It will be based on some algorithm, and based on the secret key that we are using, or that we are sharing here, it will just encrypt the plain text with that secret key, and then it will make it into a unreadable format, and then this will be transmitted to the recipient. So what is the use of this converting unreadable format is, if we are sending any personal or personal messages, so during this transmission there will be many hackers who will be trying to hack the information whichever is transmitting. So if we convert the information into some unreadable format, even though they hack the information, they will be not in a situation to understand what the message or information is. So we have to convert plain text to cipher text using the encryption algorithm. So this encryption algorithm, for example, it's DES. Okay, we'll discuss about this encryption algorithms in coming videos. And now this transmitted cipher text, this is complete thing is on the sender side. Okay, and this thing is completely under the, sorry, in the receiver side or recipient side. So what happens here is, whatever the ciphertext which is received here, it will use the decryption algorithm and again the secret key to decrypt the process. Okay, that means it will convert the non-readable to the plain text again. So now you'll get one doubt, that the same hackers also can do the same thing. So you cannot do, sorry, hackers cannot do. Why? Because they don't know secret key. Secret key only knows between the only knows for sender and receiver. So how can hackers know about the secret key? And we have many encryption and decryption algorithms, so they don't know which algorithm we have used. Okay, so there are some basic algorithms. If we use those algorithms, they'll be able to identify which algorithm we have used, but they won't be able to decrypt it completely because they don't know the secret key. So that is the use of this complete what do you say, process. Okay, now let's see a basic example. Okay, I'll tell you the basic example here. See, for example, if I'm sending message hi, okay, what happens to this now, this, and my secret key is I'll explain you like this. Okay, I'm sending hi. Okay, now what happens, this thing, this page is on the sender side, and this page is on the receiver side. Okay, now what is happening is, this is sender side and this is receiver side. Now what sender is sending hi. Okay, now we have a secret key called we kept a secret key as ABC. Okay, using this ABC and using this hi, I mean plain text, and using one algorithm. For example, I'm just telling a basic algorithm, I mean my own algorithm just for understanding. I am using algorithm like if the letters are, you have to replace it with the successive letters. That means if the letter is A, you have to replace it with B. If the letter is B, you have to replace it with the C. So this is my algorithm. Okay, if the letter is Z, you have to replace it with the A. So this is my algorithm, and I have to use the secret key. So secret key, what I'll do is I will append this secret key at the starting of the message. See, one system will have like, that is our wish, right? We can append the message at the start or at the end. So it depends upon the algorithm, and it depends upon the one who are processing this complete. So as per my wish, I want to append this ABC at the starting of the message. Okay, even this ABC also I'll encrypt. I'll not write ABC as it is. So the same process I will use ABC, and I will let know the receiver that secret key will be of 3-letter word, and it is also encrypted with the message, and we use the same algorithm for the secret key as well. That means I'll replace it with this. See, don't fix that only this algorithm will be used. I'm just, for your understanding, I'm trying to explain it with a simple, but we have different algorithms. Okay, the real algorithms won't be this simple, just for your understanding. Now hi, so what I'll do, first I have to append the secret key as per my algorithm. Okay, so secret key is what? A, B, C, right? So I have to change it to the my algorithm. So A means B, B means C, C means D. Okay, like this one, this algorithm I have used. Now I'll append the message. What is message? Hi. So for H it is I, for I it is J. Okay, now this is what you will say, this is called ciphertext. This is not readable format, right? So we cannot spell this. What is this? We cannot pronounce it properly. So for example, if you are sending the same text, plain text only, using the transmission, see ABC, they'll remove. Here it is hi. So they'll easily understand at least few words in the entire sentence. So they'll think these 3 words are something else, and these 3 words are some other things. So they can identify the messages clearly here. That is the disadvantage of sending the plain text. Here it's simple hi. Even like I'll write A, B, C, D, E, F, hello, next G, H, how, Z, Y, X, R. So now even simply you can see, even though all these letters are just normal letters, by seeing few words you can identify, right? Okay, these are some information. Not just ABC, you can write Z, V, S, O, P, T, and then write your name, like for example learn, and then so you can easily identify the words, right? That is why you should not send the words directly. You have to they have to convert it into the ciphertext. Okay, that is the use of converting the plain text into ciphertext. Now we have converted, so this information will be transmitted to the receiver. Okay, this information will be transmitted. Now what the receiver will do is B, C, D, I, J is the ciphertext which he received. This is ciphertext and this is plain text. Okay, now what happens here, the receiver, what he will do is, again they'll decrypt, they'll know algorithm, right? Okay, they are replacing A with B, B with C, so they'll just do reverse process here, back process. So what we have to do, for B we have to replace it with A, for C B, for D C, because here we are converting A to B, then if you are doing the reverse process means B to A, right? That's what. And then I means H, J means I. Now what they know? They know that the 3 letters, first 3 letters are secret key. So they'll remove the 3 letters here. Now what is the message? Hi. So this is plain text again on the receiver side. Now the sender is sending hi, the receiver also receiving hi. Between this process, whatever is happening, this process will not be known to the users. I mean for us. See, in our WhatsApp message, if you see, you'll send hi. Receiver will receive hi, but in between this complete transmission, like from sending to here and there, within just seconds this complete process will happen. Okay, this is what the encryption algorithm means. This is the basic encryption algorithm. Okay, you have to make sure that this kind of technique you have to get used with these terms: plain text, ciphertext, encryption algorithm, decryption algorithm, secret key, cipher key. Okay, you have to make sure that you get used with all these terms, only then you can understand the real algorithms. Okay, thank you.